The Riva Rivarama is not for the faint of heart. She's not only sexy, she's beautiful, and I'll go to say she's bitchin'. Powered by twin 800 mans, these engine bays have been completely redone. I mean, this boat has been spectacular. In 2026, had a full paint job of Allgrip. All the bright work has been redone. All the cushions are new. This boat is a spectacular piece. Also, this is fabulous for sunbathing. Can you imagine at the Med, even here in San Diego? As we move forward, we've got great seating here with almost a U shape. This table folds out as well, and it's great for alfresco dining or just hanging out. We also have crew quarter access here. As I mentioned, 800 mans, and look at this helm. This boat's got a total of 340 hours on it, and it looks better than brand new. Boat is super easy to drive. On a day like this, it's just beyond sexy. This also has a retractable sunshade and or bimini that folds down inside this custom garage here.